Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys a beautiful unit by Julia Hair. So let's get started. You guys know I like to show you guys the unboxing first so you guys can get the whole spill of this brand. So this is the hair right out of the packaging, and this is what I received. I received the HD wig cap, a band for the lace, some pretty press on nails by the way, which I am gonna definitely use, a band for the lace so that you can melt down your lace. And I don't know if they know, but my favorite color is orange, so I was really obsessed with this silk dust bag to store the hair in. So you guys, I always show you guys the units right out of the packaging, so I did nothing to it. This is freshly out of the box. I was really amazed with the lace and how everything was pre-done for you. So as you guys can see, the lace is cut for you already. It's pre-plucked and the knots are bleached for you. And the hair, super soft, as you guys can see. The quality definitely gave. And if you guys are wondering, this is a 5x5 lace, okay, and this is a glueless wig. The lace is HD too, by the way, and as y'all can see, I just kept running my hands through it because it really is some soft hair. I also wanted to give you guys a visual of what the lace looked like by the skin to skin, and as you guys can see, it melts through on my skin. I feel like this will go perfect for any skin tone because it just matches perfectly. In the back, you do get your adjustable straps in the back. I went ahead and tried on the wig right away. I got right into it, and I love how snug the unit was. It was very snug and comfortable ear to ear. And as you guys can see, the lace did melt down right away with no glue, no spray, no nothing. It just melts right through, and they did a really great job with plucking the unit. This is where the lace stops, so this is the amount of room that you do get of lace right here on both sides. And like I was saying, they did a really good job with plucking, and as y'all can see, if you part it on the side, you still can part it on the side. If you guys are wondering like, oh, it's not as much lace room, but you still can part it on the side and wherever you want. And as I'm parting, you guys can realize that it's plucked so good no matter where you parted, okay? And that's one thing that I do love. I didn't have to pluck this unit. I didn't have to do anything. Everything was basically already prepped and ready for me. I just had to adjust it, you know, for my head and like do all the little things that I like to do to make sure it looks good for me. I did use a little bit of some serum, so this is my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Serum, and this is good for frizz. It's also good for heat as well, so it's a heat protectant, and I just used a little bit of that on top of the unit and throughout the hair too as well. I kept looking at the lace because oh my god, the lace looks so good. It just looks so realistic, and on top of that, the texture is so realistic to my hair texture. Y'all, I realized that I did have the band, the band for the wig. So like I said, this wig is a glueless wig, so this is where you slide in that band. So you do get this with the unit. It's stretchy, it is comfortable, and you also can adjust this band too. The band is very much breathable and it stretches, so if you guys are wondering if it's comfortable, it is very much comfortable and easy to apply. So I went ahead and took out the wig and put it back on with the band being on, and I realized that the band does give the wig a much more like snug fit. I thought it was snuggable, like it was snug, but no, like once you put that that band on, you can see that like once it's on, and it's very hard to like move around and adjust because once it's on, and it definitely does hold the hair. Like I'm pulling it and it's not moving. So I will definitely suggest that you guys use the bands that it comes with because that's what makes it, you know, that glueless wig. And I put a little bit of foundation, a little bit of my makeup around the hairline area just so that, you know, it can blend just a little bit more. You don't have to, but that's just my personal preference. So you guys, this wig is very much not gonna move. It's not gonna slip back or nothing like that. I was just so impressed with the lace. I keep looking at it. I just wanted to give you guys a very good close-up of what it looks like because it's so natural looking. You do not need to use any glue. I just used a little bit of my holding spray just for some extra secureness, but the wig is secured. It's not slipping, it's not doing nothing. Okay, so please use that band. Don't forget to use it because it does come with the unit. Okay, and I used a little bit of that spray and I put down my silk band just to hold it down just a little bit more. Y'all know I just wanted some extra secureness, but y'all don't even have to do this. As y'all saw before I even put the spray down, it was laying down. So as y'all can see, it's just laying down even more. It just melted even more. So I went ahead and started to, you know, style the unit, put some heat to the hair. When I did flat iron the unit, I did notice that the heat made the hair just even more softer. So it does take up heat very, very well. And I had my heat up to the highest degree. Okay, so it definitely straightened out really well. I can see myself curling this unit, like spiral curling the unit too as well in the near future. But yeah, good quality hair and very, very good quality as far as the lace goes. Like, look how gorgeous and soft and smooth this hair looks. Not only does it look it, but it feels it too. I also end up doing some baby hairs. So you guys saw the lace like with no baby hairs. I'm not really in the baby hair era anymore. I just like a nice, clean, you know, realistic hairline. But I just wanted to give you guys a visual of what the hair look like if you do, you know, do some baby hairs. I just wanted to give you guys both of those look good, you know, the baby hairs or the no baby hair look. But of course, I just want to give you guys all the looks. And as far as the looks go, the hair texture, I just want to give you guys a close-up because it just reminds me of my real hair texture. If I was to get like a blowout, a press out, or whatever you want to call it, like a silk press, it definitely gave that. It just mimics my real hair so well. And who doesn't love that? You know, like I always wear, you know, human hair, but like this human hair texture right here, this yaki texture is my real hair texture, like my that comes from my roots. Okay, so it's just feels good to wear something that looks like my hair texture in real life. It definitely gives what it needs to give all the way through. Okay, and also this is a 24-inch length. Okay, and I think it's perfect. And sometimes when I'm wearing 24 inches, it looks longer on me because I'm short. It looks like almost like a 26 almost, but it is given. Okay, it flows with you, it moves with you, it's not stiff. Like, come on, look, like it's so easy to put on. Like, if you a girl that just like to get up and go, baby, this is for you. 1 2 3 and go. Like, come on, the texture is everything. Everything will be listed down below. The full details to this unit, if there is a discount code, it will be listed down below too as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Mwah. Until next time, I'll see you all in my next video.